For 165 million years, dinosaurs dominated Earth. To put that in perspective, humans have only existed for about 300,000 years. Dinosaurs were here 500 times longer. They weren't just overgrown lizards. They were incredibly diverse, incredibly successful, and way weirder than movies show. Let's meet the real dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived in the Mesozoic era, divided into 3 periods. The Triassic, when dinosaurs first appeared. The Jurassic, when giants like Brachiosaurus roamed. And the Cretaceous, when T-Rex hunted. Here's a mind-blowing fact. More time separates T-Rex from Stegosaurus than separates T-Rex from us. They never actually met. Pterodactyls? Not dinosaurs. Plesiosaurs? Not dinosaurs. Dimetrodon, the one with the sail on its back? Definitely not a dinosaur. It lived before dinosaurs. True dinosaurs had specific hip structures and walked with their legs directly under their bodies. Many prehistoric creatures we think of as dinosaurs were actually something else entirely. The largest animals to ever walk Earth were dinosaurs. Argentinosaurus weighed about 70 tons. That's more than 10 elephants combined. Supersaurus may have been over 100 feet long. These giants were so massive that scientists still debate how their hearts could pump blood all the way to their heads. Being big was their survival strategy. But dinosaurs weren't all giants. Microraptor was only about the size of a crow. Parvicursor was smaller than a chicken. The smallest dinosaur we know of, Oculudentavis, was the size of a hummingbird. Dinosaurs came in every size imaginable, from terrifying titans to tiny critters you could hold in your hand. Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the largest land predators ever. 40 feet long, with a bite force of 12,800 pounds, enough to crush a car. But here's the thing. T-Rex may have had feathers, at least when young. And those tiny arms? They could still lift 400 pounds. T-Rex was scarier than movies show, just different. Bad news for movie fans. T-Rex probably couldn't roar. Roaring requires a specific throat structure that dinosaurs didn't have. Instead, T-Rex might have made deep, rumbling sounds you could feel in your chest, like an alligator or an ostrich. Imagine a bass so deep it vibrated your bones. That's probably what T-Rex sounded like. Forget everything Jurassic Park taught you. Real velociraptors were about the size of a turkey. The movie raptors are actually based on Deinonychus, which was bigger, and both were covered in feathers. They were still deadly hunters with that famous killing claw, but they looked more like angry chickens than scaly monsters. Many dinosaurs had feathers. We have fossils with preserved feather impressions. Feathers evolved before flight, probably for insulation or display. Some dinosaurs were completely covered in fluffy down. Others had elaborate feathered displays for attracting mates. The terrifying dinosaurs of your imagination might have been covered in colorful fluff. For decades, we could only guess dinosaur colors. But now we can actually tell from fossils. Microscopic structures in fossilized feathers reveal their original colors. Sinosauropteryx was orange and white striped. Anchiornis had black and white wings with a red crest. Dinosaurs weren't all brown and green. They were colorful. Were dinosaurs smart? It varied hugely. Stegosaurus had a brain the size of a walnut, in a body the size of a bus. Not bright. But Troodon had one of the largest brain-to-body ratios of any dinosaur and may have been as smart as modern birds. Some scientists speculate that if dinosaurs hadn't gone extinct, they might have evolved intelligence. Many dinosaurs were good parents. Maiasaura means good mother lizard because we found fossils of nests with babies that were clearly cared for. Oviraptors died protecting their eggs. Some dinosaurs built complex nests and sat on their eggs to keep them warm, just like birds do today. Dinosaur parents loved their babies. Dinosaurs weren't just in jungles. We found fossils on every continent, including Antarctica. During the Mesozoic, the continents were positioned differently, and the climate was warmer. Dinosaurs lived in forests, deserts, swamps, and even snowy regions. They conquered the entire planet, adapting to every environment on Earth. 66 million years ago, an asteroid 6 miles wide struck what is now Mexico. The impact released energy of billions of nuclear bombs. Fires swept across continents. Dust blocked the sun for years. Temperatures plummeted. Within months, 75% of all species were extinct, including most dinosaurs. One very bad day ended their reign. Why did dinosaurs die while mammals, birds, and crocodiles survived? Size mattered. Large animals need more food. When plants died from lack of sunlight, plant eaters starved, then meat eaters starved. Small animals could survive on less. Burrowers were protected, and one group of small feathered dinosaurs made it through. They became birds. Plot twist: dinosaurs never really went extinct. Birds are literally dinosaurs. Not descended from, they are dinosaurs. Every chicken, every sparrow, every penguin is a living dinosaur. When you eat chicken nuggets, you're eating dinosaur. The mighty T-Rex's closest living relative is probably a chicken. Let that sink in for a moment. Everything we know about dinosaurs comes from fossils. Bones, teeth, footprints, eggs, even preserved skin and feathers. Paleontologists are like detectives piecing together clues. New technology like CT scans lets us see inside fossils without breaking them. And we're finding new dinosaur species all the time. About 50 new species every year. For all we've learned, huge mysteries remain. What did dinosaurs actually sound like? How did the biggest ones grow so fast? Did they migrate like modern animals? What percentage of dinosaur species have we even discovered? Some scientists estimate we've only found a tiny fraction of what existed. So much is still unknown. Sorry, Jurassic Park fans, we probably can't clone dinosaurs. DNA degrades over time and doesn't survive millions of years. The oldest DNA we've recovered is about 1 million years old. Dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago. But some scientists are trying to reverse engineer dinosaur features in birds. We might create something dinosaur-like someday. Dinosaurs teach us powerful lessons. They ruled Earth for 165 million years. Then a random cosmic event wiped them out. It reminds us that success isn't forever, and that catastrophe can come from nowhere. It also shows that life is resilient. Birds survived. Mammals inherited the Earth. Life finds a way. Here's the coolest part. You live with dinosaurs every day. Every bird you see is a living dinosaur, continuing a lineage that goes back 230 million years. The sparrow on your windowsill is part of the most successful dinosaur group ever. Survivors of an apocalypse, still going strong. Dinosaurs never really left. Thanks for watching.